welcome to another video. In this video, we're going to be talking about how to order on Temu as a first time in 2026. So let's get straight into the video, shall we? So it's a very simple and easy process. All you need to do is simply go ahead and open your App Store or Play Store and download your Temu application first. So let me just go ahead and do that. Finally, once you've downloaded and installed Temu, all you need to do is simply go ahead and open the application. And now what you want to do is simply go ahead and choose something that you want to go ahead and purchase. So let's just say, for example, I'm going to add this jeans to cart and then click on checkout items. Make sure that you've already logged in, by the way, or created an account, of course. Then you want to simply go ahead and enter your first name, your last name, your UK phone number, or any country you are from, and then your address, and click on save and use. Then you'll have to go ahead and enter your payment details like your credit card, your debit card, or PayPal, or any other. So I hope this video clarifies everything for you. If you have further more queries, feel free to comment down below, and I'll see you on the next one.